Hello everyone, welcome to my channel So Delicious. Today's recipe is loaded cheesy nachos. Also, I'll teach you how to make cheese sauce. So without any further ado, let's start.
First, take half cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of pearl millet or bajra flour or bajre ka atta, half cup of rice flour, and half cup of chickpea flour or besan. Now to that, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you do not have bajre ka atta or bajra flour, you can replace it with maize flour. But because bajra flour is very easily available at stores, that is why I have used bajra flour. If you have maize flour, you can add maize flour instead. Now add water accordingly and knead a soft dough. If you want, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil. I haven't added. If you want, you can add it. So the dough is almost ready. But you can see the dough breaks very easily. You need to have slight elasticity in it. You can see the dough breaks very easily. So I'm going to knead it for 5 more minutes and then the dough is ready. Now cover it and keep it aside till we are getting ready with other toppings. For that, in a small bowl, take 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. Then add half cup of milk to it. The milk is at room temperature. Also the flame is in between low to medium. Once the milk almost starts boiling, not complete boiling, when you see the bubbles at the corners of the pan, add the corn flour mixture to it. You can see the bubbles at the corner. So I'm going to add this corn flour mixture to it. The flame is on low. Once you add the corn flour mixture, stir it continuously. Make sure there are no lumps in your cheese sauce. If you want, you can add cheese at this moment. Now add pinch of turmeric powder. This is completely optional, just for the the yellow color. But if you do not want yellow cheese sauce, you can skip it. This will take 2 to 3 minutes to thicken up. So till then I'm going to add salt to taste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again mix it. And in 2 to 3 minutes, it will thicken up properly. If you want, you can add chili flakes or oregano too instead of pepper powder. You can see it's ready. It's making way on the pan. So this will let you know that the cheese sauce is ready. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and keep it aside to cool down. For the salsa, I've taken 3 small onions, 2 medium tomatoes and 2 green chilies. All of them finely chopped. I'm going to transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now add salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. If you do not have amchur powder, you can replace it with 2 to 3 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you have, then add it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice because I have already added dry mango powder to it. Now add half cup of boiled sweet corns. So if you have any doubt with the ingredients, you can refer my ingredients list, which I'll be giving at the end of this video. You'll find it in any of my videos. So if you have any doubt with the ingredients or the amount of ingredients I'm adding, you can refer that ingredients list. Now I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. So the salsa for the nachos or the tortilla chips are ready. I'm going to keep it aside, cover it and keep it aside till then we'll make the nachos. You can see the dough is very soft. I'm going to make small balls out of it, just like this. Now with help of oil, little oil, maybe 1 teaspoon, roll out medium sized tortillas. Not very small or not very large, just medium sized tortillas. Do not keep it very flat or thick. You can see how I'm making it. so I've missed a clip. So just poke the tortillas with fork and then fry them in on pan or for 1 minute on each side on medium flame. Because nachos are also known as tortilla chips, that is why you have to first make the tortillas and then give them triangular shapes and fry them in oil. So first, it's a very quick work. Just make the tortillas, fry them in pan, prick it with fork, don't forget to do that, and then give them this triangular shape. If you want, you can just tag all the tortillas and then cut them into triangular shape. It will make your work easier than cutting one by one. So similarly, make all of them. Heat the oil on medium flame and then drop one by one this tortilla chips to it. So here it goes. I'm going to fry this for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame because the tortilla chips are, the tortilla is already cooked. You just have to make them crispy now. So 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame is more than enough. Also you can see it has got very beautiful golden color. Can see. So after approximately 2 minutes, I'm going to take it out in a paper towel. And similarly, I'm going to make all of them. So you can see I've made all of them ready. Also it's very crispy. So here's the first layer of nachos. To that I'm going to add some cheese slices, some mozzarella cheese slices. Just if you like to have cheese just like that, you can add it, or else you can totally skip it, not a problem. Now add this prepared salsa. If you want, after adding salsa, you can sprinkle some salt and pepper or chili powder or chili flakes. Anything, you can customize it to yourself. Now add cheese sauce to it. I've just taken the cheese sauce in piping bag. If you want, you can do same with the help of spoon. Now another layer of nachos and some cheese. So repeat the process, nothing different. The prepared salsa. And cheese again. If you want, you can add some mayo also and some tomato ketchup, some chili sauce. It's totally up to you. I'm going to add some tomato ketchup on it. Little bit of corn. I had it, that is why I'm adding. And sprinkle some oregano. If you want, you can sprinkle chili flakes or pepper powder or salt and red chili powder. So this delicious multigrain loaded and cheesy nachos is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try, and if you do not forget to tell me in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for all the post notifications. Bye bye.